What's up, guys? Just want to give you a quick update on these cup holders for my element. This is the final version. I made it with a cubby just like the original, where you could store stuff. This is a prototype I made. It just shows you, it's basically the same exact thing. It's easy to install. Just gotta pull this apart. It's kind of tight because it has to be. You don't want to spill your drink all over. Just slides in. It also has a little spot for extra stuff up here. TPU. Rubber pieces came out pretty good. And it's also pretty strong. It'll hold up a lot of weight. It's not gonna break easily. Just screws on. There's 6 screws. Just like the original pieces, it takes the original hardware. And it lines right up. So yeah, just wanted to show you where I'm at with this. And now to install it. So now we're gonna install this. It's really easy. Just grab it. Make sure you line up the slots. There's 2 on each side plus these. You don't want to rip those off. I already ripped these right off, so you gotta be careful a little bit. And it's easier with 2 hands. And we just put in these clips on each side, and it's ready to go. And there we go. Been using it for about a week or so, or at least a prototype, and it's really sturdy. I've never had problems with it. It doesn't slide off. Works pretty good. It's really convenient to have this. It's extra storage and space. I put my phone in there and whatnot. I want to go more in depth with this cup holder design because, as you can see, it uses TPU as little grips that hold the cup in, which is a completely different material than the rest of this. This is ABS, so you have to use a multi-material system to make it. I'll show you how that works. One nozzle is loaded with ABS and the other one has TPU. So it takes a bit of calibration and tuning to make it work, but it looks like it came out pretty good. The supports didn't fail this time like with this piece. So what happens if the supports for these parts just fails. And I also want to test different materials because I like this matte finish better than this gloss. But it's fine, it works. It's fine for now. You just gotta test the settings, and but other than that, it's all set. Nice and sturdy. It's not gonna fall apart or break or drop anything. Like I said, it works really good. But yeah, I'll try again with different materials. I like this a lot better. What do you guys think? If you guys are interested in the settings I use, this is what I have so far. It takes a while to print. It's like 8, almost 9 hours. It's fine how it is right now, but I'll play around with these settings and see if I could be more efficient